load of fucking warning codes. I can't be arsed with this crap, this is a fucking joke. At some point I'm gonna fucking 207 swap this. I'm fucking messing about like this with this fucking shitey engine. Not a fan at all. Drives okay, but it fucking hell to work on it's a piece of shit. This, mate, this is taking the fucking piss. Right, so we're gonna need a thin twiddler, and this is even if it works. Right, I'm gonna try this, this thin bar, and maybe another bar. Where's the little twiddlers? Twiddler, and then a 14, and then obviously a bar on the end of this. If this works like the old car, we've got half a chance. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be fucked here. Right, okay, we'll be alright. So get you on there. Give her a good. Jesus! I think something snapped then. Where's my magnet thing? Magneto. Come on. No. Oh wow. Yeah, you weren't joking, something snapped. Fuck's sakes. There's the other part of it down there, look. Right, well, I'm guessing that's not the way. And I'm assuming I can't get on direct with that. Might if it's a bit longer. Where's the other bar gone? Where's that little bar? Oh, fuck it, let's do this. Got lots of reach. And snap something else probably. Oh no, it's not gonna. It needs another thin bar. It's not gonna play nicely at all. I've literally had it. Where's the fucking little thing before? Noise. Where are you, you little fucking twat, son of a bitch? Fucking. It's not really the one, but it might help. Don't trust that grip at all. Oh my god! What snaps now? Not the tool this time. And neither the bolt. Fucking Jesus. Is it gone or is it just... No. This car's a friggin' nightmare. I'm almost regretting my fucking choice to do this job, to be honest. I haven't even fucking got started and it's just being a pig. And that's going to be way too big to get down that gap. And plus the tool that you're going to have to send down on it is going to be way too big. Mate, what the fuck? I can't tell if that's working or it's not, to be honest. I think we got it. Oh, you are fucking joking. It's all tied in with a secondary air pump as well, is it? Certainly looks that way. How do we get that fucker off then? So we've got this here. That there. I don't like this. I don't like it. This is not my friend. We'll get you clamped on there. I don't have to think about yet. Apart from that way. And that way. Go on. Sort yourself out. Right. That's got rid of that for now. So you've got a clip coming in here at the bottom. Heading out the way, waiting to get damaged, as always. Ah, that's that. Right, alright, that's fine, we can ignore that. Where's that plastic? Oh, it fucking fell in here. Where's that fucking plastic? Must be in there. Where's the stupid piece of plastic gone? Mate, you literally take a fucking piss here. like it's in there. Do you know what? It's not going back on the car anyway. That fucking piece of shit that's just in the fucking way. It's getting deleted. It's a bollocks to its stupid little plastic fucking thing. Fucking jeez Louise. It's getting dark, I'm gonna have to stop soon. I'm not fighting through this in the fucking dark, I can't be arsed. Obviously it's a 10mm because I picked up the other one. Where's the freaking 10? God, give me strength. Where's my vape? Come on, thank you. Right, is that just literally that now? I think it is, whatever this is. What are you doing? You're supposed to be helping me out, not making my life harder. Come on. No, grip. Right. Secondary air pump shite out of the car. Not my friend at all. A waste of fucking engine bay space if you ask me. I was trying to keep the car OEM until it decided to break itself, and now it can fuck itself. It's not staying OEM anymore. Oh, 12. Let me guess, what a fucking surprise. Something else you can't get into. Ugh, Subaru, why have you done this so much on this car? Like, what the fuck are you playing at? I'm not even joking, what the fuck are you playing at? Exactly. Fucking exactly. My point. Oh, you absolute set of pricks. You absolute set of fucking pricks. crank pulley on this. It's going to be tricky, isn't it? I don't want to think about that now. I don't really want to sacrifice that belt for it, but at least no, fuck it, because I'm not doing the timing in the car and pulling this one as a long block, so I'll deal with it when it's out the car somehow. What happened to you? You were so like fit and healthy not long ago. Pussycat! You've been to a vet, haven't you? Yeah. Had a major operation by the look of the poor thing. One thing I don't like seeing is animals fucking in pain and fucked up. I don't mind seeing people in pain. People fucking deserve it. Animals don't. People have usually done something fucking wrong in their life. Right, you're gonna allow me to... Come on. Just get up without damaging anything. And fucking get... Yeah, the problem here is... I don't think it's gonna safely sit in there. I will. I was gonna say I don't think it's gonna safely sit in there without damaging anything, but I think we'll be alright. We don't have blown head gasket mode on this though. I think we should have enough space. What's this? Is that part of my tool? Yes. Jesus, again. Why have you made this shit so much more flimsy than it used to be? No, just grip the fucking thing and... Fuck's sake, honestly. This is literally ridiculous, mate. Stop being ridiculous. Mate, what the fuck are you doing? Aye. There's no need, mate. There's fucking no need for it to be this fucking difficult. Sit around. What the fuck are you trying to achieve with this crap? Pissing people off. That is well and truly fucking stuck in there. Again, the old ones, you just fucking push it in and pop the fucking thing out, but no. That's too fucking easy for this car. Oh, you fuck. Mate, again, this is being designed to be a pain in the ass. The old ones had a fucking half decent clip you could push in, but you didn't have to fight them like this. Has to come undone as well. It actually has to. Fuck off. Mate, this is genuinely fucking stupid as fuck. Some mini pliers. Where's the mini pliers? I'm getting to a point where I'm going to stop soon because I'm starting to get pissed off. Fucking simple things which should be easy is taking the fucking piss. And it's getting dark. What the fuck are you doing with this stupid fucking shite Subaru, mate? What the fuck? Like, seriously? Oh, I wanna fucking punch this shit in the fucking head in a minute. Hard, it's really difficult not to get annoyed knowing that someone fucking engineered something so that you break it taken apart and it costs you money. This is getting like, fucking just pissing me off. This stupid fucking clip, mate. How difficult do you need to make one fucking thing? Like, this is beyond the fucking end. This is literally beyond the fucking joke. This is intentional fucking sabotage, if you ask me. seriously testing my patience. But you can't fucking clip it in any more than that. And then when it's pressed in all the way, it just doesn't want to fucking release the fucking stupid clip. Getting really fucking mad. But I'm getting really annoyed with this shit. Subaru, what the fuck have you done with this car? Get out of that fucking thing. Mate, fucking. I'm getting properly fucking aggravated with this piece of shit fucking clip, let me tell you. What are you doing? What are you, apart from trying to get fucking broken, what the fuck are you doing, you fucking piece of fucking dog crap? Like, you cannot push that back anymore, and this is not free. Like at all, it's just not fucking free. It doesn't want to come out. Do you know what I've just fucking seen? Yeah, push it there. You fucking motherfucker. You absolute motherfucker. That was about 10 times worth of effort I'm willing to put into crap like that. For fuck's sake. Come on. Yet again, these fucking clips. There we go. Oh, I wonder if there's a way. I'm gonna try fix that with silicone because I can't be arsed fucking taking all that shit apart just for that. I really can't be arsed taking apart all the fucking fuel rail and everything just to replace this fucking PCV crap. Now I've beaten that little fucking twat. I'm gonna call it. It's getting dark, I can't see, I don't want to make any mistakes. Any more mistakes. And I've got all that crap to clear up in the garden. I think we've done a lot of the shitty work. I'll get this fucking get this EVAP purge out the way. I'll get down to those bolts, those are the little bolts at the front, get that chucked into that space. And then we'll work on getting this fucking manifold off. Mate, do you know what? Fuck you Subaru, fuck you VA. That's what I'm feeling right now. This car's a bag of crap to work on compared to the one I built. Fuck's sake. I think it's getting modified, to be honest. I can't deal with cars like this to do my fucking head in. And I'll just fucking put an AOS in it again. Whatever, if we've got space, I'll find out what the fuck this is. A fuse box probably. It's power steering, that's something or other, there's an airbox. I need somewhere to put an AOS. I might have a look at where people put them on these cars, but fucking bollocks to this crap. This is just painful. Right, I better go message the dealer and apologise that I've broken this. What else did I break? What else did I break? Nothing. Oh, that fucking belt. But that was no choice. Fuck you, you nightmare car. That's all I've got to say right now. I'm gonna clear up this shit in a bitch.